Yes, welcome back to our video number 4. To learn LCM and HCF, visit video number 3. Now let us start in video number 4. The next topic of theorems, which are some important concepts which you need to learn. The question is, why 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 5 is not a prime number. It's not a prime number. So first, it's not a prime number means you need to know that what is the definition of prime number. Prime number has only two factors. What are they? 1 and numbers. What are they? 1 and number itself. So if this is having more than two factors, means it is not a prime. Exactly. Again I'm telling, if this is having more than two factors, this is not a prime. It's very clear. Now let us start with the question. It's very simple. If I see here 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 5, 5 is common. Start with the question, take 5 common. When you take 5 common, so 5 will go out, so 4 into 3 into 2 plus 1. So 5 of 4 3s is what? 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So 25 5s is what? 125. Now if you tell about the factors of 125, what are they? By without doing anything, I can tell 3 factors. What are they? 125. As 1's place is 5 is a factor. So how many factors I told without doing anything? 3 factors I told. So what is the prime? Only 2 factors. It should have 1 and number itself. But it has 1, number itself and 5. Now if you find other factors also you will get. So therefore this is not a prime very clearly. So therefore 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 5 is not a prime number. And the same question they may also ask you to prove that it's a composite number. Again same explanation. Prime has only 2 factors whereas composite have more than 2 factors. What are the? 1, number itself, another factor or factors. So this is about this question. And one more question, what will 6 to the power of n end with? So basically we start with some example. 6 power n means n place will start with 1. 6 power 1 is what? 6. 6 power 2 is what? 6 into 6, 36. 6 power 3 is what? 6 into 6 into 6, 216. And so on to 6 power n. Now he is asking you, before that, can you see 6 power n ends with 6, 6 power 2 also ends with 6, 6 power 3 also ends with 6, 6 power 4 also will end with 6, 6 power 5 also will end with 6. Now is there any chance that 6 power n will end with number 0? Not possible. Then, how to write according to our NCERT? It's very simple. Any number, if it should end with 0, it should have 2 numbers. What are they? 2 and 5. If the prime factors or the composite, if this composite number having 2 numbers as factors, what are they? 2 and 5 should be mandatorily be there. Either 2 is missing or 5 is missing or both are missing, it cannot be end with the number 0. So prime factorization of 6 says what? 6 is nothing but what? Do the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, 2 3s are. So 6 power n is nothing but 2 power n into 3 power n, or you can also write 2 into 3 4 power n. So I told you, in order it should end with 0, it should have 2 and 5 both as a factors. But it has 2, 3. 5 is there? Not there. Is 5 there? Not there. So it should have 2, 5. Other number, leave it out. But 2 and 5 should be there in that. Other numbers there or not, that is secondary. But if 2 and 5 there, it will end with unit 0. So therefore, 6 power n cannot end with 0 because it does not have both 2 and 5 as a factor. Okay, this is the concept of the same way you can also do as homework. For 8 power n is one question, 5 power n is one question, 4 power n is one question, and last one I give you 20 power n. Now you tell me in this which one will end with number 0. You can check. The concept is very simple. It should have 100% 2 and 5 both. Apart from the any other number there, no problem. But 2 and 5 is there, hence it will end. Yes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe and keep learning more. Thank you. Have a good day.